Hello, YouTubers and explorers. Welcome to harvest season. We have a bunch of really cool videos coming up, so stay tuned and welcome to the first episode. The Schooner Festival is today. We are going to go check out some pretty cool boats. And they also have a little block party going on with some live music and arts, crafts, and little performances and such. So, welcome to, I don't know what to call this. We're just going to call this Harvest Season. It's a little series of videos that I'm going to be putting out, so it's going to be pretty good. So I hope you guys enjoy. And I will catch you guys at the end of the video. Alright guys, that was the Schooners. Uh-oh. What's going on here? Autofocus. That's... Yep. Oh. No. Well, there we go. That's why. Alright. Well, so that was the Schooner video. It was like a little block party. The Schooners were in town. And, I don't know. So, yeah. It was a pretty cool video. Although, like, for some weird reason, I don't know, like halfway through looking at some of these boats, or like, maybe I don't know if it was the boats or if it was the block party. I don't know. I started feeling a little weird. I'm like, felt like this kind of weird feeling. I don't know. But, so, yep, if you guys did enjoy that video, do give it a like, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you do enjoy, make sure that you hit the bell as well. Make sure that you hit the bell as well, because bell matters. And yeah, so I will catch you guys next time. Yeah, so I will catch you guys next time. And see you later. See you later.